Hi, this is Scoggin, and this is the second video to my McCormick slow cooker chili my way video. And what I've done is I've went ahead and cooked it on high for 4 hours. At 3.5 hours, I went ahead and added the beans to it and let it go another 30 minutes on high. And the chili is ready. It smells delicious in here. I tell you, this is going to be good. And I'm going to show you how it come out. Very simple, very easy to do. Go over here, I have my chili. I'm fixing to take the cover off. And I tell you what, that just, it smells delicious and it looks great. It just, it has a nice color to it and just really, really nice. Go and plate a little bit up here and let you know how it come out here. As you can see, it has a nice color to it. It's just smells great. And I'm going to go ahead and move this camera a little bit down here. I'm going to sample it and see how well it is and everything. How good of a job I've done here. Oh man. That chili is delicious, let me tell you. It has just right amount of spice to it, and it just, what I'm going to do with it, I'm going to get me a bigger bowl. I'm going to make me a Frito pie, because that's the way I do it down here in Tornado Alley, Texas. And I hope you give this a try. Like I say, it's very simple to make. If you don't cook, you can make this. This is Scoggin. Got some chili to eat. Appreciate all you viewers and subscribers out there. And y'all take care.